I'm just saying, premium gas is like dating somebody who thinks they're high value just because they're expensive. Regular gas will love you for who you are. This is without a doubt the worst analogy I have ever heard. Premium fuel is engineered for specific engines. Higher octane prevents engine knock. Engine knock? Bro, you make it sound like my car owes somebody money. Your ignorance is truly boundless. Oh, my bad. I forget that I'm talking to a man who probably prays to a gas pump every night. Aly, back me up. You just paid $6 for premium gas. For what? For optimal engine performance, efficiency, and longevity? For premium fuel, bro. Calista needs it. Yeah, engine longevity. Bro, I don't even know if I'm gonna make it till next Friday, let alone care about my car's future. Aly's car requires premium fuel. If he used regular fuel, he'd experience engine knock, pre-detonation, and... Bro, everything you say sounds like a chapter from a mechanic's textbook. I mean, he's not wrong. Don't encourage him. Explain it in human terms. Fine. Regular gas ignites too early in high-performance engines. That's like eating soup while it's still boiling. It burns everything inside. Oh, so now gas is soup? First it was controlled explosions. Now it's lunchtime? Let's address the reality. Premium fuel contains a higher octane rating, preventing premature ignition in high compression engines. Using regular gas in a premium engine can cause misfires, knocking, and... Bro, say knocking one more time. You act like regular gas is gonna make my engine turn into a Street Fighter character. Incorrect fuel usage can lead to deposits, forming on your valves, reducing efficiency over time. Bro, you want to know what else causes deposits? My ex, always taking money from my account and leaving me with nothing. Or, just hear me out. We all start siphoning gas from rich people's Ferraris and... No, just no. And every time I have a solid plan, y'all just kill my dreams. Oh no, it's happening. A commercial is coming. If we all stay very still, maybe YouTube will think we already watched it. Wait, no ad? Oh yeah, we're broke. Never mind. Carry on. You know, I did the math. If stupidity paid hourly, Armrest Warrior would be a billionaire. But unfortunately, he works for free. That's why he's still here. It's like an unpaid internship in nonsense. Well, if intelligence paid hourly, you'd still be broke. Mr. I read a book once. I work for free because knowledge should be accessible to all. You're welcome. What's going on, everyone? I'm Aly. This is Aly Vlogs. I'm here. I see you. I'm trying to. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when I drop these videos. Actually, real quick, y'all still keep gas station receipts from 2019? Or is that just me?